Okay, everyone, we're now doing the retained income note, and so we know that always we use net profit after tax in your retained income note, and we have already calculated this, so this is pretty easy, and it's right here in your income statement. And don't forget, it is the after tax amount, right? So we're gonna write that in right here. Net profit after tax always goes into the retained income note. Okay, cool. But now from our net profit after tax, we need to subtract the money that we used for the share buyback. Remember that we used the average share price here, even though it was going at 4 Rand 15. So we need to say share buyback funds, or funds used for share buyback, and we need to say 250,000, and then we're gonna multiply that by 95 cents. Where did I get 95 cents from? I got 95 cents from saying, okay, it was going to be 4 and 15. Where is it? It's here. It was going to be this, right? But then we said we're going to use the average share price, and that was 3 Rand 20. And if you subtract that, you should get 95 cents. And this is actually what we use to buy back the shares. And if you subtract those, well, if you multiply that, you get this amount, and you need to have this in brackets because you subtract this. Okay, so that needs to be in brackets, please. Okay, we also know that ordinary share dividends are made from 1, interim dividends, and 2, also final dividends. Okay, these two make up ordinary share dividends. The interim dividends, wrong one, were actually given to us, I think. Oh yeah, right here, okay, because it says interim. So the interim dividends were given to us as 420,000 Rand. So we can go straight away and write that in, and that's pretty easy. And now we're looking at the final dividends. In our additional information, it tells us that a final dividend of 25 cents per share was declared. All shareholders were entitled to final dividends, including shares repurchased, and it must still be brought into account. So they're telling us very clearly, hey, you need to take all shares into account, even the ones we bought back. So it's all the authorized shares, and we multiply that by 25 cents, and you should get a total amount of 300,000. And we add those two to get the ordinary share dividends. Don't forget, this is in brackets. We subtract that. Okay, and then if you do all the math, you should get 560,200, and that's pretty much your your retained income note. So I hope you're all okay. And whoa, that was pretty quick that we did that. So let me know if there are any questions.